I've got a tip for you today. How to fix a popcorn ceiling. So these ceilings used to have the acoustical texture on them that everybody hates today. And they scraped it off, but it left a really rough, ugly finish. And so what I'm doing to correct this is to give it a plaster type of finish. So I'm basically putting a skim coat of joint compound over the top of this so it looks like plaster. I've done this a number of times. It's fairly easy. It works really well. I like how it looks, but I'll show you what I do and how I do it. You basically just need two tools. I have a plastering trowel. This is just a flat trowel that's intended for this purpose, and a drywall hawk. Not very expensive, and you put a skim coat on top of this. Just smooth it on to get the texture that I want. I try to make it fairly smooth, but I allow some skips and gaps in there for interest. Just not too many, but there's a lot of different textures you can do using this method to cover up that ugly surface that was left behind from the popcorn ceiling. After I apply this, then I'm going to take a pole sander and give it a light sanding to get rid of trowel marks. So that's basically what I'm trying to do, is just apply a thin, fairly even skim coat. It's quite thin actually, but it gives me a smooth surface overall, and then I try to eliminate any trowel marks. So that's what I've done here. I've done that through the whole house. I'm just finishing up one of the rooms here, and I thought maybe that'd be helpful for someone to see.